Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Elementor Loop Carousel. We will begin by understanding its fundamental purpose, showcasing dynamic content in an engaging, scrollable format. First, locate and drag the Loop Carousel widget onto your canvas. Then, we will explore the initial content settings, ensuring you grasp the foundational steps for setting up your very first carousel. This is your starting point for creating dynamic displays. Next, let's dive into configuring the content that populates your carousel. You will use the powerful query builder to specify your content source, whether it is posts, pages, or custom post types. Carefully select the exact items you wish to feature. Additionally, we will adjust the number of items visible at any given time, ensuring your carousel presents content effectively and efficiently to your audience. Now, let's focus on making your carousel visually stunning. You will learn to customize the appearance of each individual loop item, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your brand. We will also explore how to control navigation elements, such as arrows and pagination dots, for intuitive user interaction. Finally, we will set responsive options, guaranteeing your carousel looks fantastic and functions flawlessly across all device sizes. Finally, let's elevate your Elementor Loop Carousel with some advanced techniques. We will explore creating custom templates for your loop items, offering unparalleled design flexibility. Discover how to implement dynamic content, allowing for personalized and highly relevant displays for each visitor. Lastly, we will discuss crucial optimization tips to ensure your carousel delivers a smooth, high-performance user experience, keeping your site fast and engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.